Hey everyone, what up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this matte fall makeup look right here. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. First things first, I'm taking the Huda Beauty Medium Nude Eyeshadow Palette. I'm gonna start out by mixing these two shades right here. I already primed my lid with concealer, so I'm just gonna put this right in the crease, making sure that I connect this with my nose contour as well. Next, I'm picking up on this shade here. With the same brush, I'm starting this in my outer corner, kind of circular motions as I'm placing it down. And I'm really just concentrating this in the outer corner, kind of building up that V shape. Any extra I am going to drag into the crease as well. Taking that same shade with a smaller packing brush, I'm going to start to smoke out my lower lash line with that also. Really taking my time to build that up and make sure you connect. I know I talk about this all the time, but this little corner area here, by making sure you're connecting this to the eyeshadow on top, it really just helps kind of make the look cohesive. Taking a very similar brush to the one we just used, this I think was a BH Cosmetics brush, but I've had it for so long it's worn off. With that, I'm gonna pick up the deepest matte shade. Tap off the excess. Place this with small tapping motions. Notice how I'm tapping this down first. So we really want to lay down the color and the pigment and build this up super nice on the lid. It's funny because originally I had planned on putting a shimmer over this, but I was just so obsessed with how pretty this matte shade is, and then things took a turn. Taking my time with this, working it up. Basically, we're putting this color all over the lid space and up towards the crease. And as I get to the crease, I'm kind of using little windshield wiper / circular motions to blend. I'm going to take our original blending brush and just kind of smooth out everything on the edges here. The next palette I'm using is the e.l.f. Retro Paradise Collection eyeshadow palette. Anything that has like a bone color and a black will work. It doesn't have to be this one, but I'm gonna use this shade here, Canvas. Putting that right on my inner corner here just to add a little brightness and highlight, but still matte. Same thing for our brow bone highlight. Brow bone highlight, I like to keep it more in the center, kind of like above your pupil rather than out here. I don't know, that's just what I've been liking lately. I feel like it lifts more. Then taking my NYX eye pencil in black, any cream eye pencil will work, and align the outer edge. Basically, it can be really messy, doesn't have to be perfect. And stop about halfway. And I'm taking an angled liner brush. Any matte black shadow will work, but I'm dipping into Nightlife. With that, I'm gonna stamp the shadow kind of on top of the pencil liner. This helps keep it in place longer, and I'm also smudging it. I'm gonna smudge it out into a wing. Notice I'm going to flip the brush over, and any excess on the brush, I'm using that to line the inner portion of my eye. So it's just a little bit lighter, a little bit softer. And you can tap into the shadow as needed to kind of darken the areas you want. This part is all about just taking your time, but I love using a cream or like pencil liner to do this. I think and then an eyeshadow on top, it's very easy to manipulate rather than just like a liquid liner. Also kind of gives like a softer, smokier, like sultry vibe, you know. Mascara, I'm using my Lilly Lashes XXX mascara today. Alright, I went ahead and dusted the powder away and put on lashes. These are Tatti Lashes X Jamie Genevieve. They're in the style TL Jamie 3. They're very like piecey and almost like not chunky, but Yeah, I love the way they look. Let's go ahead and warm up the face. I'm gonna take, this is my Lilly Lashes X Sephora Collection face palette. I usually I'll just mix the two bronzers in here. Warm up the face, you know, the forehead, cheekbones, all the usual areas. And honestly not believe that I'm making this video, you guys. The fact that like fall is basically among us. Upon us, among us. You know what I mean. Wild. Wild. Comment below if you are excited for fall or if you're one of those people who is like me and is like sad that summer's over. Actually, I'm kind of like in between right now. Me personally, I'm like excited about certain things about it. I think maybe the seasons this year are like exciting because it means we're moving forward, you know. Actually gonna dip into some of the deepest bronzer and I'm gonna kind of put that on my lower lash line as well and just smoke it out a little more. I feel like this kind of helps connect it to the face. I know that my dog Kalani, like he'll definitely be excited about fall, like the cooler weather, because he gets like really hot really easily. So he'll definitely be vibing with that. Gosh, these lashes, you guys, are like delicious. I'm really obsessed, actually. My favorite at the moment, Colourpop blush in Meteorite. Oh yeah, that looks so nice with this. Blush brings everything together. Also comment below, do you guys think you're gonna, I know a lot of people have been like, it's summer, we're wearing masks now, you know, as a society. So a lot of people have like toned down their everyday or just like in general their makeup routines to more like natural, like fresh type makeup. Comment below if you think with the fall, do you think your makeup routine is gonna change? Do you think you're gonna maybe wear a little more like full face, full coverage, or do you think it's gonna stay the same? Let me know what you guys, what are you feeling? What are you thinking about? Let me know. You see, I'm basically bathing in the blush everywhere. Just everywhere is fine. Okay, great, great. Loving it, loving it. For highlight, since we're doing more of a matte makeup look, I do still want to have like a little bit of glow to the skin, just for a little luminosity. I'm gonna use the NARS Orgasm Loose Illuminating Powder, and this stuff, you guys, is so pretty. I don't know if you've seen it before. I've used it a lot on my channel, but this is the situation. Look, if I tap my finger, it's so pretty. Gorgeous. Take a little highlight brush, dip into the lid, tap off the excess. You need the smallest amount of this stuff, you guys. And I'm gonna focus this, whoa, see? I'm gonna focus this more like if you're smiling, kind of like almost as like a blush topper, if that makes sense. Not like high as a highlight. And I think it's just gonna add a nice little luminosity. Really pretty. Nose highlight, I'm actually gonna dip into Canvas, the kind of beige bone color that we did for highlight on the eyes. I'm just gonna put highlight down the center of my nose with this. Loving it. I love this. Oh! Making me excited. Lips, we're gonna do a super fun, like vampy dark lip, of course, for fall. So I'm using my MAC lip pencil in Cork, and then I'm gonna go in with Dose of Colors cream lipstick in the shade Aftermath. It's this really beautiful, rich, I don't even know what you would call this, but it's pretty. You'll see. As you guys see, I like to kind of shade in the sides of my bottom lip and basically all of my top lip. I'll go in with my finger and blend the lip liner. This, for one, it helps your lipstick stay on longer, so who doesn't love that? And for two, the kind of shading here is going to give you more of like a pouty bottom lip. Now we're going to go in with the lipstick. Oh my gosh, yes, it's so pretty. I am going to use my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray to finish off the look. Here is a close-up of the makeup, you guys. What do we think? I am definitely feeling the fall energy already. Okay, you guys, here is the final look. What do we think? Let me know in the comments below. Are you digging this fall makeup vibe? I love this lip combo. I feel like it makes my teeth look lighter. Maybe? Question mark? Per usual, I will be sure and list all the products that I use in the description box below for you guys. Like I said earlier, let me know, what are your thoughts on fall makeup? Do you think you're gonna wear more of it? Are you ready for it? Like, what's going on? I want to talk about it. Let's chat. If you did enjoy this video, let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. And also, if you're not already, please be sure to support your girl and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It honestly means so much to me. I would love to hit 4K, so let's make it happen. And other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys!